go into the El Paso area, you'll notice pecan groves.
I knew there were pecans.
And also you'll see crops of cotton. They get their irrigation from that Rio Grande River. That's how they get their water source. So once again, folks, over to the left side, that mountain range is Mexico. You can see the border fence from this location.
That's why she loves me.
And also at this location, we're approximately 1 hour away from our next station stop. If we keep going at this pace, we'll arrive at El Paso about 10 minutes ahead of schedule if no delays are incurred. Thank you.
So what we're looking at here, it is April the 16th of 2015, and what we are looking at here, folks, this is Mexico. If you see that dark line right there, that is actually the Mexican border right there. That is the Mexican-American border fence right there.
Wall of America.
Huh?
The Berlin Wall.
Yeah, the Berlin Wall of America. And hopefully, in less than 50 years from now, that fence will also come down. We could just open our borders and just become human again. Who needs borders, right? So, anyway, right on the other side of that is the Rio Grande River. So, a little history for you guys. There you go. These mountains right here, that's Mexican border. That is the Mexican mountains over there. I wonder if anybody knows the name of those mountains over there. Sure they got a name. Anybody know their geological history here? Name of these mountains? Nobody's answering. There's no Mexicans here. Yeah, exactly. Wow. Yeah, I don't know if you heard it or not, but we're an hour away from our destination in El Paso, Texas. Right now it's 1 o'clock in the afternoon, a little past 1 in the afternoon. I have changed over into another time zone. I am on the Pacific time now. I'm sorry, Mountain Time. That's right, Mountain Time. We've changed from Central Time to Mountain Time. Ah, look at that old place. I love these old places like this. This is cool. Look at there. Only on a train, folks, will you get to see things like this. There you go. Wow. Interesting. Fort Hancock Merchandise Company. Oh, look at them pine trees out there. Oh, it's a cemetery. We go over here on this side over here, we got I-10, Interstate 10, from California to Florida. Neat, huh? The Berlin Wall of America. Alright guys, I'm gonna fix and get off here. I didn't get much sleep last night. My eyes are burning and watering. I'm gonna go lay down and get me some rest here in a little bit. I'm gonna take this 5 minutes.
You know how long it is, the wall?
No idea. No idea. Alright guys, 5 minutes. Peace.